Hello, and welcome to today's video. If you use Messenger to send or receive money, setting up a PIN for payment confirmation is essential for protecting your transactions. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the Use PIN to Confirm Payments option, step by step inside the Messenger app settings. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then, select Settings from the list of options. After that, scroll down until you see the Payments section, and tap on it. Now tap on PIN and Biometric. Finally, toggle on the switch labeled Use PIN to confirm payments. If prompted, set a secure 4-digit PIN that you will remember. You may also be asked to confirm it. Once this is done, your payment confirmations in Messenger will now require this PIN, adding an extra layer of security. That's all for this tutorial. Securing your Messenger payments with a PIN is quick and simple. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips.